In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Google Ads campaign that's not getting any impressions. We're going to run through this in just 5 minutes, so let's dive right in and make sure your campaign is reaching as many people as possible. First, what you'll want to do is head over to the Google Ads homepage. If you're new to Google Ads, you can easily get started by accessing their website through any web browser. Once there, you will notice an option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Click on sign in to proceed. If you're not signed in already, enter your Google account details to access your Google Ads dashboard. This is essentially your central hub for managing all your ad campaigns. From here, we can start troubleshooting why your ads might not be getting those all-important impressions. Once logged in, navigate to the Google Ads home. This is where you can see an overview of all your current campaigns. What we want to do next is focus on the campaign in question. To do this, locate and click the Campaigns tab on the left-hand menu. It is here that you will find a list of all your active and paused campaigns. Go ahead and select the specific campaign that's not receiving impressions. With the campaign now selected, we need to delve into the settings. You'll find this option just below the campaign name at the top of the page. Click on it, as it will provide us with a comprehensive view of all the settings that could be affecting your campaign's performance. Now that we're in the settings, a critical element to look at is your bidding strategy. Click on the bidding section. Proper bidding is crucial because it dictates how much you're willing to pay for clicks and ultimately influences how often your ad is shown. If your bid is too low, it's quite possible that your ads are not competitive enough to gain visibility. Take a good look at your current bidding settings and assess if they align with the goals of your campaign. Sometimes increasing your bid can be necessary to make your ad competitive, especially in highly sought after spaces. Also, consider if the strategy you're using fits the objectives you have. For instance, if you're aiming to maximize clicks, ensure your bidding strategy reflects that goal. By following these steps, you should have identified any oversights that may have been preventing your campaign from being seen by your target audience. Remember, regular checks and optimizations can prevent such issues from occurring again in the future. I hope you found this video helpful and you're now set to get your Google Ads campaign running smoothly once more. Thanks for watching.